Hello friends. Before start of the Scratch programming, first we should have an account. For that, in this video, I want to explain how to create an account in Scratch. With mail ID or without mail ID, you can create your own account in Scratch. For that, now let's go for Scratch software for Google. Click on search with MIT Scratch. It will be open with Scratch image programming and share. Open the link. So this is a web page of Scratch software. So whoever having the account, just they can go for sign in. Whoever don't have an account, please click on the join Scratch. It's ask your username. So now I want to give some username like Soumya Scratch. Password, hide it and give it your password. Okay. So I'll give it SL studies. It's not as accepting Soumya Scratch because all the Scratch we are having with the title. SL Scratch. Now I'm giving one of password. Username already taken, so I'm giving SL study double S. So I'm from India, so select the name of which country you belong to. Now click on the next. Give your date of birth. Click on next. So give your mail ID. So now I'm giving my mail ID. You please give your mail ID. Click on create your account. Without if you don't want to give your mail ID, just skip this and click on your create account. Now get started with Scratch. So it's ask you confirm with your mail. So please go for your email and click on that like verify. So it's when you if you share it known that you are verified account, and if you forget your password, it gives you the link and it makes you to reset your password. So now I want to verify my password. So I'm going for account. So I'm using my account. So now I'm giving the password. So click on your Gmail. And it's like you're getting a message like no reply. Confirm your Scratch account. Click on the message and open it. It asks you like confirm my account. So now my account is verified. Just if you go for again Scratch, if you just reload it, yeah, it's your now your account is verified. In the like this in simple way you can create your own Scratch account. Thank you.